First real-world look at Apple's mixed reality headset parts seemingly shown in leaked images. Images of what appear to be components for Apple's upcoming mixed reality headset have today been shared online. We got a couple of ribbon cables. That's what we got. Mm-hmm. I can see maybe where my nose goes and where my eyes go. And other than that, I see some ribbon cables that look a lot like Apple's other ribbon cables you see in their mobile devices. Uh-huh. The images come from a Twitter user with a protected account who has a track record for sharing accurate information about Apple components. 3 of the pictures show shaped ribbon cables that contour around the user's eyes and may be used to connect display components to a board. Another appears to show an array of 3 sensors or cameras along another flexible ribbon of a similar length. I mean, are they making it? Are they selling it? Are they prototyping it? Is this crazy early? I don't know. Because if you're leaking and you've got the components isolated, that to me smells like manufacturing. Mm-hmm. The smell of manufacturing.
A lot of green tape.
Have you ever smelt manufacturing, Lou?
Oh, I have. I used to work with CNC machines. The smell of metal. Burnt metal, oh, it's like ingrained in my brain, you know, and you don't know what to say to that. You're just like, what? You're telling me to move on?
I just think, like, when it comes to manufacturing, there's probably a variety of smells that are out there.
Oh, yeah, dude.
And because you can manufacture a lot of things. Uh-huh. But if it was only based on smell, if your job was only based on smell, what would you choose for your job to be? Oh. If it wasn't about money, if it wasn't about having fun, if it wasn't about enjoying, it was just based on smell, the most optimal working smell.
I think that'll be easy for me. I think it'll be like some sort of wood.
Oh, that's interesting. Material. You know what I was going to say?
Huh?
A bakery.
Bakery, yeah. That's a good one. Yeah.
But I don't know. I'd probably get so fat.
Yeah.
I'd probably be so enormous.
You would look like a loaf.
If they put me in a bakery, you know what I look like? The tire guy.
Yeah, Michelin Man.
That's what happens to me.
Many rolls.
I'm just in it. I'm breathing calories. I'm just... You know?
The air is thick.
Yeah, no. Oh, fluffy and baked goods. Yeah. I used to frequent near a location, big industrial bakery, and you could smell it from miles away. The bread bacon. Oh.
Yeah, everyone there's pretty chubby from eating all the bread.
Brevin, he says, definitely not the morgue.
I agree with that. Yeah, that's
Well.
Huh?
Well.
We're stinky.
Who? Speak for yourself. Yeah, so the headset, to me, it smells like manufacturing.
Okay.
And not the bread type, but the industrial metallic type that Will's talking about, which is ingrained in the membrane.
But if this is real, it's kind of cool that they're actually slowly making it and seeing it come to life. Mm-hmm. So good on them.
Yeah, we'll see it.